So it's that time of the week again. It's one of my favorite times of the week. It's Friday, and every Wednesday and Friday, I volunteer my time. I head on down to the Utah Humane Society, where I will assist them in presenting a pet of the day up for adoption, whether it's on 101.9 FM or, in this case, Fox13. Every Wednesday and Friday, I present a pet here. We're at the Fox13 studios. And occasionally I'll do the radio station as well, but there's actually a team of us who do this, who volunteer to present these pets. And there's another gal who actually has, she's designated the 101.9 radio station day. I happen to be designated the Wednesday and Friday at Fox13. But there's so many cool companies that are actually involved in this project on finding these animals, a home. Today we have Taku. Taku is the Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week, and Taku came from a shelter in Arizona. We get a lot of animals from Arizona because they have a shelter down there that tends to get overcrowded, and they ship them here to Salt Lake. And Taku is a 2-year-old Chihuahua mix that we want to find a family. So like I said, we'll come on down here. Fox13 is an amazing company. It's so cool that they're willing to give back and share some of their airtime to share these animals on television so that they can find good homes. Mountain America Credit Union, another amazing company. They're the ones who sponsor every single Friday. Subaru is another company that's involved, and they sponsor on Wednesdays. And of course, the Utah Humane Society is another amazing company in that they're the ones that take care of these pets and help them find homes. So there's so many great companies involved in this project. And today we've got Taku. So let's see here. I'm going to take the camera and see if we can see Taku. All right. There he is. You can see him just resting and relaxing, getting ready to make his debut on television. All right, so on that note, like I said, we're here at the studios. We're going to go inside now, and Taku is going to make his debut on live TV.
Okay, we've got a Fox best friend from Humane Society of Utah. Yoshi brought in what looks like a large-eared species of Chihuahua.
Yes, yeah. I brought in Taku today. Taku is the Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week, and we don't know a ton about Taku. We know that he was originally a stray, and then he's gone from shelter to shelter, and he actually just got transferred to us from an Arizona shelter. They have an overcrowded shelter down there, and they sent us a lot of animals. Taku is 2 years old, and he seems to be house trained. Maybe he could probably use a little bit of work, but somehow he picked up, being a stray. I don't know how he learned that, but he picked it up.
He just really wants to go home with somebody. That's probably what it is. I promise I'll only do it where you say.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So with Chihuahuas, though, I mean, they have a wide range of behaviors. I mean, it's not just, they don't just stamp them out. You can get one that's quiet, you can get one that's louder, you can get one that's skittish, you can get one that's calm.
Very true. Very true.
So how's he?
You know,
tell?
Yeah, so the little that we know about him that we've been able to observe, he's pretty mellow in that he'll just hang out on his bed, but then when it's playtime, he's pretty active.
Good.
Yeah, it's not like this constant hyper dog all the time like a lot of Chihuahuas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much is his adoption fee?
It is $150, which includes the vaccination shot, the neutered, and
and then everything else.
Yes.
and the personality, the calm disposition.
Exactly.
It includes the ears too, huh?
Yes, okay. The microchip.
You don't have to pay for the ears?
You do not. These are not extra. They come with Taku.
Right.
All right.
Thanks, Yoshi.
If you want Taku, just call the Humane Society of Utah 261-2919 or drop by and visit them.
It could be Taco Friday today, Max.
Taco Friday.